Take your time, let me get this right. You tripping on what's in front of you, cause you're looking behind you. You got memories, but take it from me.
Hey guys, how are you? Yo, I need to I'm from taking a nap way. So again, taking a nap during the day, I think it's like one of the worst mistakes. Now I feel tired, I feel fatigued. But anyway, there's this tennis court in Sarid. Yeah, and I wanted to check it out, like me and Penny, as we do like just 1 2 3, and the tennis court, it's at Alloy. Yeah, it's at Alloy Sarid. So I don't know if they recently opened it, because I'm gonna on the internet, but anyway, I'm not sure. Let me not yap anything that I'm not sure of. Yeah, I want to go and check it out because I want to try new things. You see what are the things that you like doing, like favors you. Yeah, so let me get all cute up, all dolled up, then we go. I'm not going to be doing the makeup with you guys because I won't be doing too much. Yeah, so see you when I'm done. Loves, we are at Alloy. Me and Penny, we always catch up. All the time. We always talk. I'm sorry, like I was in a hurry and I was pretty sure I was going to be late, so we came to check there's tennis court, and we were interested in playing, so that's why we all come here. But in the process, like we want to like have some drinks kidogo as we talk. Girls never have an ending story, we always have something to talk about. Yeah, but we will show you our full outfit vizuri. Wait, first we order some drink, then we'll talk. Cheers. Okay, move forward. Get ready. Oh. It's officially Valentine's Day. These flowers just dropped. Your girl got some very cute roses from my man, and I so love them. Like, they smell so good. I can't wait. But I think I'll just put them like in a cool place and put the stems in water. I'm not going to arrange them today because I'm tired. I'm from cleaning the house. Imagine, I came from the gym, did a lot of things. Yeah, today went to the gym in the morning. Yeah, did a lot of cleaning, so I'm tired. I'm just from taking a shower, so I'll be doing a lot of things, so I'll not have like time to do this. But we're going to be arranging these babies tomorrow. Yeah, let me finish up with some little work that I have to do, then I'll see you guys later. By the time you're watching this video, because the other Sunday I uploaded like a visual diary, so sorry for uploading this one late, but anyway, bottom party content. Yeah, let me go finish up, then I'll see you guys later when we are ready. Yeah. Hey guys, I want to do like my makeup real quick. Okay, I am late, but I won't be speaking to you guys, but mtaona tu nikifanya. Okay.
Be so hot, be so hot. Superstar, you say your legs. Be so hot, be so hot. Superstar, you say your legs. Be so hot, be so hot. Superstar, you say your legs.
Now let me go dress up, then I'll see you guys after I'm done dressing up. Loves, I am done. I've just decided to wear this hair because sikuwa na time ya ku install wig. So these are my jewelry. This okay. It's kind of funny. Anyway, it's kind of funny. Scent of the day. I have to smell good. Let me show you my outfit. Then we'll go. Outfit of the day. So this is the dress. It's just a simple dinner dress. Yeah, bag of the day. Just wearing a trench coat. So let's go. Hey guys, we are here, but there's music here on top, so I don't think I'll be talking to you guys because of copyright.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. Being flex so D, sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Hey loves, so we are done eating. So we're gonna be finishing up the wine, then we go. I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, how are you? Hope all of you, hope you're good. Yeah, it's on Sunday. Let me tell you, I feel so bad I did not go to church. I woke up late, plus I was just tired. I couldn't even go. But anyway, I want to do some. There's a lot of weight, and I want to wash the dishes, the vacuum clean here because I feel like it's dusty. The place is clean, but I just feel like it's dusty. I don't want to like mop. I'm tired. So yeah, let's begin. Let me first put on some music.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign.
vacuum cleaning. Now I just want to like arrange those flowers. Plus I feel like it's been a while since I took my wine. Let me just pour myself a glass of wine, then we can arrange our flowers, okay?
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out I'm through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to be
Done arranging. Aki, I left them untaken care of because these ones I'm pretty sure spoil like araka, but anyway, I'm thinking of taking them to the TV stand so that they can bloom more because there's enough sunlight there. Yeah, I think so. Thinking of here, I feel like here is perfect. Yeah, let me just leave it here. Hey guys, how are you? It's in the evening. I am heading to the gym. Let me show you today's gym outfit, then we go. I'm tired. It's heading to 5 and I've got gym, but anyway, let's go. Gym fit of the day. Yeah, so let's go. I know my hair looks bad. I need to go and do my cornrows. Let me just put it on. I need to go and do cornrows. Tell me why does my hair look like this? But anyway, it also has growth. So I'm back from the gym. I'm super tired. I passed by this shop. I was flagged by my friend and I got this for Tutu. I've never bought this and they're very, 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 very affordable. Yeah. So I want to prepare this for Tutu. I also got myself eggs. I'm going to prepare eggs and yeah, eggs and ugali and mala, yeah, plus mala. That's what I'm going to be having for dinner. But let me take a shower first, then I'll see you guys when we're preparing dinner. Eating yesterday's ugali. Here we don't throw food. Yeah, so there's no need to cook eggs, mala. As I watch Yellow Jacket season 1, let me eat. I'll see you guys on another vlog. Let me just end this vlog here. If you've come this far, please consider subscribe and hit the notification button just in case your girl here gets to upload a new video. You get notified. See you on my next one.